Okay, now I'm just going to take the parchment off of the tray so they don't continue to cook. But I'm going to leave them on the parchment so they don't break, so they can cool. Sticky. There we go. Alexa, what is my timer at?
You have 18 minutes left on your 20-minute timer.
Cool faster. I'm gonna break them. Okay, no. We're gonna let them cool. Ooh. Oh. That's where I am. What? That's where what? Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, so now I'm gonna try to take these off. They are completely cooled. I may or may not have put them back on the tray to get a thumbnail. So, it's fine. It's already completely cool anyway, so. Also, we have 10 minutes until those ones are done, so. This is like one of the hardest parts because you have to be super careful, otherwise they'll just completely break. Oh, I don't think these ones were completely done, to be honest. Looks good though. One down. I might just keep going even though they probably weren't done. Is that a good idea? Probably not. We'll see. As long as nothing's getting stuck. As long as nothing's getting stuck to the parchment, we should be fine. Let me get a plate. Okay, I'm just gonna place the finished ones, or the ones I'm just gonna place the ones I've peeled off on this plate, right side up, so I can easily fill them. Okay, so we now have 12 of these cookies peeled off. Now we get to add the filling. I'm just gonna put filling on 6 of these and then match them up. So basically you just wanna put a nice blob in there. This is a lot runnier than I probably would have done, but what can you do? Okay, that's good. So now I'm just gonna try to match them up by size. beautiful. Oh shoot, the top is really sensitive, and I think it's because it wasn't completely finished and I just accidentally broke one. So maybe I should set it upside down since it's already broken. Yeah, good call. Alexa, how much is left on my timer?
You have 4 minutes left on your 20-minute timer.
Nice. Okay, so now I have 6 of these done. You're supposed to let them cool, but I'm gonna eat one and then let the rest of them cool. Which one did I break? Is this one? No. Which one did I break? I'm gonna eat this one because I broke the bottom of it. And then we will just put the rest of these in the fridge to cool. To chill. Oh. Oh my gosh. There's not really room.
Okay, what are you breaking?
Nothing, I just dropped something. It's just something on top. I opened the freezer and something fell. I didn't break anything. Okay, test, what? Okay, test taste time. Yeah. These are definitely the best cookies I've ever made. The filling, I think if I were to follow the recipe, it would have been better, but it's really good. The cookies are super, super soft on the inside. That's my alarm. Alexa, stop. Okay, so that's 8 more cookies put together. That's 4 total macaroons. This is really good. I guess I've actually overcooked them the other times that I've done it because this is super soft like it's supposed to be, and it's really good. Very pleased.